Hello there, my name is Lisa and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about a new project that I'm about to start. I've bought myself this Heidi Swapp planner. It's a personal planner and I'm planning to use it for like a form of scrapbooking. I've never scrapbooked like this before. I've been using like the great big 12x12s for absolutely years, and I've kind of dabbled in pocket pages, doing like Project Life type thing, and I've also been using traveler's notebooks as well. But I want to do something to try and get in the habit of writing a few little notes each day. And I thought that doing it in planner style would be a really good way to do it. I'm going to do an unboxing of this. I have had this on my desk for the last few weeks and I still haven't opened it. I will be linking up below. It's on offer in Amazon, or on Amazon. I've just checked, it's still the same price, £15.13 currently. It's really good value, and I'm going to open it up and have a look right now. So this is the box. It says there's 122 pieces, and to be honest, I was thinking about it, even if I don't end up using it for the purpose that I've bought it, £15 for a new planner is still really good. It's gold and cream stripe. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this. We've got the 4 pockets there and the larger pocket on the inside, and then we've got dashboards there with the months. We've got a pen loop as well. We've got this acetate cover, the spotty cover with the heart on the front now. Oh, these are nice. So we've got actual pockets for photographs as well. Oh, I like this. This is so cool. I think this will be really nice for memory keeping. And then you can date, add little notes. So there's one for each week of the month. Okay, make today great. It's really good actually for journaling, isn't it? Just to add a few things, bits and pieces, what's happening each day. I really like this. And then there's more plastic wallets. Because I'm a super impatient person, I'm really excited about this new project. I do not want to start in January. I've switched out October, November, December to the front here. I know they're not in order, but that doesn't bother me. And I really want to start straight away. I'm really excited about this. So I am actually going to get some stickers and start working on this now. I started just by adding the numbers to the dates. I love these black uni ball pens. They are my absolute favourite pen to write with. You can buy them everywhere and they come in all different colours as well. So I've done that. That's the other thing I really like about this planner actually. There are no dates, so it will work for any year. One thing to be aware of when numbering your pages, the weekend is actually 1 block and not 2. So you will need to get both dates on the weekends. So I've just gone through last week and so far this week, just jotting down some bits and pieces. This is everyday journaling. This isn't the kind of thing that I would do like a scrapbooking page about. For example, we are really struggling with Virgin at the moment. We're having some really big issues. They're messing us around. So I've written that kind of thing down, just everyday things. Went out for coffee with a couple of girlfriends last Wednesday evening. It's that kind of everyday stuff. I'll probably sort of jot down our favourite things we're watching on TV, maybe things that we've done or the kids have said, that kind of thing. Obviously looks a bit plain. I've added some stickers. I think it's time to do a couple of other bits. There's also, I wanted to make myself a page marker as well, so that when the planner is closed, I always know exactly which page to open it out on. I really like the green spotty paper that comes in the kit. I'm going to fold that in half as that's a really good width. I've actually trimmed it down slightly. It was slightly too wide for the pages, and I've also taken the bottom off so that it's a good size. And I've got now 2 pieces exactly the same width. I'm going to add some double-sided sticky tape to the top and the bottom to stick the 2 pieces together. Now the paper looks like this and will slide on and off really easily like that. That's the perfect fit actually, like that. So that will obviously be on a page that I'm not using. So that was the page before. Looks nice and tidy. And I want to pretty it up a little bit, and I'm going to be adding this story tab that comes in the Lollipop Box Club kit. It's from Bramble Fox. There is a competition at the moment for to see how people are using their little acrylic story tabs. I want to see how creative people are. I'll link up the competition below so you can have a look at the details. I'm going to take this paper from the kit as well, cut a little strip across the top so that it appears underneath the story, just so it stands out quite well. I've put some double-sided sticky tape on the back, and I'm now going to add that to the top. And now you can see the word story just above my page, and this acts as a really good page marker, and it's also removable so I can move it from each week. In the DIY kit I included some of these little word phrases, so actually I thought these would be quite nice to add on the page marker as well. I'm going to include some more of the purple strips and add these to those. Decorating the page marker, I'm going to add the word today, but I'm going to trim it down so it fits nicely inside the speech bubble. I've also decorated the back, as obviously both will be seen, and I've kept that reasonably plain because I really do love that spotty paper. It's a lovely contrast as well with the purple lilacs and the orange and the yellow. So that is my page marker. I'm really pleased with that. I'm now wanting to create something, as I do want to add a few photos. Although I've got those little pockets, I would like to add some pretty photos as well throughout the pages. Really love this paper from the kit as well. I love the fact that there's lines on there. I think what I might do is fold it over because I can use both sides then. I'm going to stick them together and add holes at the side. I'm marking off where I want to cut. I've turned it over so I've got the leaves on that side, and we are going to cut down there. In order to add the holes, I am going to take this page out to act as a template. Let's see, it's going to go there. To turn it around and mark off, and I have this big bite here which will give me my holes then, and fingers crossed that should be perfect then. There we go, and then I've got a page both sides to decorate. The idea of this planning memory keeping book, it's to keep it as simple as possible. It's not another version of my scrapbooking. Well, it is in some ways, but it's a real simple way. So I'm not going to be doing loads of fancy things like using stencils, paints, that kind of thing. I'm just going to keep it really, really easy. I'm going to cut out one of the speech bubbles from this paper and use this. I love the yellow, so I'm going to cut it nice way around so that I've got the yellow showing. Like that. We've had some really big changes going on in our house. Holly has started uni, so I've taken a photo of us there in her room, and every weekend she comes home to work. She's kept her little job at our local Waitrose, so we're really lucky. The uni's only half an hour away, so she gets the train. I meet her from the train station on a Saturday, and she works for the weekend. We then get to have a couple of dinners with her. I get to do her washing, and we drive her back Sunday evening. So that's our weekend. So I've done that page. I've also done the little page on the back. I've used the speech bubble paper here and cut around them. As you can see, I've added them like that. This one was one on the side, so I've used up that one, and obviously you can't tell while it's underneath. This is how my planner now looks. It's a really fun way to use a planner, actually. It's a little bit different. We've got the picture there with Holly and Poppy. And then this is my week that I'm currently working on, and obviously I can decorate it as much or as little as I want. I'm going to keep it next to my bed, I think, so that I can just write down a few things each evening. So I want to add something to these pockets. I've just added the little clip here as well from the kit. We've got the pockets down here. I've added the planner clip that comes with the kit, and I've added a hello sticker. I'm wanting to add some, I do like sort of motivational quotes, that type of thing. I think I'll do these two actually because they're my own artwork. I'm going to cut them down, round off the corners, and turn them into like little positivity cards that fit inside. Corner punch here. Put that one in there, and we'll do the same with this one. They make quite sweet little positivity cards, don't they? I'm pleased with those. I've actually added a tiny little clip from a previous kit on the top there, and I'm going to leave the cards like that. I've taken the planner kit out. I don't want it to be one of those planners with loads of clips. I want it reasonably simple, and I think those colours and that look goes really, really well with this kit. Or this planner I should say. I'm really happy with this. So that's my new planner. I love the fact that I'm combining memory keeping with planning as well, and hopefully this will get me in the habit of just jotting down a few everyday little things, almost like keeping a diary, and adding a little bit of creativity to it as well. Thank you so much for watching today. Let me know if you've enjoyed this video. Let me know if you do something similar. I would like to know if this way of memory keeping is different to you, if you've seen it before, if it's something you do. Let me know. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again very soon. Thanks. Bye.